Good day folks, this is Chris checking in for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence. This is the last video dealing with a technical issue for July 2019, and this video deals with the issue of pre-incorporation expenses. It clearly only applies to companies because an individual can't pre-incorporate and you're just a sole proprietor. So it's companies. What about the costs incurred prior to being incorporated? Now for that we need to turn to section 19 of the VAT Act. And essentially what section 19 says, subject to a whole lot of requirements, that if a person incurs expenditure on behalf of a company to be formed, the company to be formed, once formed, if that company reimburses that supply will then be regarded as having been incurred by the company. That would give the company the input tax deduction. The time of that supply is deemed specifically to be the time when the reimbursement is made. Now that creates a technical challenge. So if I register a company but I can't register for VAT yet, then there's an open question whether I'll be able to make a section 19 adjustment when I ultimately register. So if I can backdate my registration to day of incorporation, no problem. If I cannot backdate that registration, then that becomes an issue. It's highly unlikely that section 18.4 will give you an adjustment when you ultimately bring that into the enterprise. If you look carefully at the word of section 18.4, it requires that the supply has been made to the company. In this case, it could never be made to the company because section 19 regards it for the purpose of section 19 only as having been supplied to the company. So there seems to be a lack of link between section 19 and section 18 subsection 4 of the VAT Act. From a planning perspective, the simple planning tool that you need to consider is do not refund that amount to the person that has incurred the expense before the company is registered as a VAT vendor. Then that problem disappears. If you've already refunded that before that, well, don't tell your client that they could have claimed the input tax deduction. The specific example that I've been given is a year's rental was paid in advance, and essentially that is just a goner. The VAT on that will never be able to be claimed. So on that very high note, guys, this is Chris checking out for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence. I hope you enjoyed these videos. You are welcome to share them with anyone you want. And use them for training purposes, analyze them. If they're wrong, let us know. If you can do them better, also let us know. Have a wonderful day.